Hi, it's Sarah here, taking you through today's Fusion Health meditation class. Today, we're going to be focusing on letting go. This is about surrendering and accepting what is when times are difficult. There's often things in our lives that happen that we do not plan for, that are completely out of our control. And it's great to have a practice that will help you to redirect that energy away from worry, away from fear, and towards a more productive use of that energy. So let's begin. Start your practice by taking a comfortable seated position. And this usually looks like with your legs crossed. You can do this either on the lounge or sitting on your bed, and you'll need a couple of cushions to help you get into the right position. So ideally, you want a couple of cushions maybe to help you to have your hips just slightly higher than your knees. And this will enable you to have a tall, straight spine, as if somebody's pulling you up by the crown of your head. So as if there was a piece of string pulling you up, so you have a nice tall spine. And you're feeling comfortable in a cross-legged position. And once you've got that comfortable position and you've adjusted your cushions, then you'll be placing your hands, the right hand on top of the left, with your thumbs touching. And when you're ready, you can just begin to close down your eyes. And I'm going to do the same. So let's begin by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and sighing it out through the mouth. One more time, deep breath in through the nose, sighing it out through the mouth. Just letting any of the stresses of the day float away. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do right now. You can just allow yourself to have this short break where there's nothing else you need to do. Now bring your awareness into your body. Bringing your awareness down into your belly. And we'll just take 5 belly breaths here. Just to start to let go. So you're breathing into the belly. Just noticing the natural rising and falling of the belly. You'll notice that as you breathe in, the belly contracts, and as you breathe out, the belly contracts. I think I said that wrong. As you breathe in, you'll notice the belly expand, and as you breathe out, you'll notice the belly contract. You'll find your way. If you even just put your hands on your belly and you just breathe normally, naturally through your nose, you'll feel the breath in your body. And each time you breathe out, you'll start to notice that you feel just a little bit more relaxed. Your shoulders are starting to move away, down from your ears. This process of letting go has already begun. Now, staying with the breath in the body, just getting a felt sense of the entire body. So just feeling into the whole body now. You're almost doing like a quick body scan, where you're going to allow your awareness to roam quickly through the body. You don't have to try. You're just simply noticing the body as it is. Just notice how it feels. Maybe it's feeling a little bit tense. Maybe it's a bit uptight in the shoulders. Or maybe your lower back is a bit sore. Maybe you notice that your knee is a bit sore. That's all okay. In this practice, we simply want to observe whatever sensations arise in the body. We're just going to allow those sensations to arise naturally, and they will pass naturally. Like everything in life, it comes and it goes. It comes and it goes. Nothing is permanent. Everything is temporary. And so bring your awareness now up to your breath. Bringing your awareness up to your nose, up to your nostrils. And just start to breathe normally, naturally, through the nose and out through the nose. The inhalation through the nose, the exhalation through the nose. Begin to bring your awareness onto these 2 points. The breath comes into the nostrils, and the breath goes out of the nostrils. You might notice that the breath comes in one side. Maybe it comes in the left side. Maybe it goes out the right side. See if you can begin to notice these 2 parts of the breath. They're very distinct. There's the inhalation as it comes in, and the exhalation as it goes out. Continue to follow these 2 points. See if you can feel the breath. You might notice the breath more distinctly as you're breathing out. Maybe you can even feel it on your upper lip. Maybe you can feel the breath as it comes in. Continue to direct all of your attention now into feeling the breath in the nostrils or on the upper lip, the touch of the breath. Continue to follow this very closely. The breath rises and the breath passes. It doesn't stay permanently. It just comes and it goes. It arises and then it passes away. Just like everything in life. It arises, stays for some time, and passes away. And don't worry if your mind begins to wander. As soon as you notice it's wandered off the breath, just gently bring it back. Just gently steering the mind back onto the breath. Don't worry if the mind has gone into the body. And you're noticing some unpleasant body sensations, like that your shoulder's starting to hurt, or your back, or your knee. See if you can simply observe those sensations. And once you've observed them, see if you can bring your awareness back to the breath. We're not ignoring the sensations. We're acknowledging them. And then we're redirecting the attention back to the breath. Keep steering your mind back to the breath. The rising breath as it comes into the nostrils, the falling breath as it comes out. And continue to see if you can feel the touch of the breath. Perhaps you can feel the breath as it comes in the nostrils, or maybe just one nostril. And perhaps you can feel it as it comes out. You might notice that when the breath comes out, you can just feel it on your upper lip, just below the nostrils and above the upper lip. You might just be able to get a sense of it. the inhalation as it comes in, the exhalation as it goes out. Keep bringing the mind back onto the breath. It doesn't matter how many times the mind has wandered off onto thought or feeling or sensation. You're training the mind now. Each time you bring it back, there's a learning curve. Your mind is becoming more compliant. You're training the mind. So keep steering it back very gently. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to now by opening your eyes. And if you need to, you can move your body now. Just keeping your gaze very gentle, very slow movements. Might need to do a little shoulder roll, stretch your legs out. I hope you enjoyed today's practice, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.